When we say smarter, it means you'll do in-depth research right here, right now. It means you'll get hands-on experience before you get your degree. When we say smarter, it means discovering your passion and turning that into your profession. When we say smarter, it means making connections and growing your network. It means small classes that show you how to make a big impact. With one moment, with one professor, that changes the course of your career. When we say smarter, it means confidence. The confidence to take an opportunity and create real results. That's why when we say smarter, it's not just something we say. It's what we do. Texas Wesleyan. Smaller, smarter.